Skechers shoes. I am going to be unboxing my new Skechers shoes. Now, these shoes are so comfortable. They come in wide sizes, and I am a size 10 wide. And that is why I'm so excited about these shoes that I got two pairs. The first pair is this beautiful looking purple one, and the next one is black. We all need black shoes. Now, these are the Skechers Street shoes. Let's unbox my